Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase Hedera Hashgraph value with SoFi detailed guide step by step clearly. To increase Hedera Hashgraph value with SoFi, begin by creating an account on the SoFi platform. Visit the official SoFi website and click on the Get Started button. Fill out the registration form with your personal details. Verify your identity by submitting the required documentation. Once your account is created, log in to the SoFi dashboard. Navigate to the investment section of the platform. Research Hedera Hashgraph to understand its current market standing and potential. Analyze historical price trends and news that may affect its value. Select the option to invest in cryptocurrencies on SoFi. Search for Hedera Hashgraph, represented as HBR. Decide on the amount of your investment based on your financial plan. Place your order to buy HBAR and confirm the transaction. Consider dollar cost averaging by investing consistently over time. Keep track of your investment through the SoFi app. Stay updated with market news related to Hedera Hashgraph. Join online communities focused on Hedera to gain insights and tips. Monitor and manage your portfolio regularly to adjust your strategy. Evaluate the effects of new developments and partnerships related to Hedera. Consider the implications of non-fungible tokens and decentralized applications on Hedera's value. Keep your investment goals clear and adjust your tactics as needed. Regularly reassess market conditions and be ready to act when necessary. Engage with educational resources on SoFi to enhance your investment knowledge. Maintain a long-term perspective to navigate market volatility. Leverage tax advantages by understanding the implications of investing through SoFi. Always remember to invest responsibly and consider potential risks. By following these steps, you can work towards increasing the value of your Hedera Hashgraph investment with SoFi. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.